Difference between sometime, and sometimes. Sometime. Sometimes stands for a short amount of time. Here, we basically mean maybe something's gonna happen after 5 minutes and we're sure of it. We're gonna go eat after some time. It's basically like saying we're gonna go eat after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes. It will take some time to finish my work. Here I already know that it's gonna take me a very short amount of time to finish the work I'm doing. Sometime, without any gap in between. Sometime stands for an unknown or future time, something that isn't specified, something that we're not 100% sure of. Like, let's meet up sometime. I'll call you sometime. I've got a plan to buy a car sometime in the future. Let's meet up sometime. It's basically like telling people that we're gonna be meeting each other in the future, however, we still don't know the exact timing. I'll call you sometime. It basically means that I'm gonna be calling you sometime in the future, but I won't be giving you any specific time. I've got a plan to buy a car sometime in the future. Here, we are very confident that we're gonna be buying a car in the future. However, the timing is not specific. I still don't know when it's gonna happen, but it will happen sometime in the future. So sometimes stands for an unknown or future timing, something that isn't specific. Sometimes. Sometimes stands for occasionally or from time to time. Sometimes I like going shopping. Sometimes I prefer calling my bestie. Sometimes I like going shopping means there are often times or occasionally I like going shopping. Occasionally, I like calling my best friend. Occasionally, or sometimes, I go for dinner with my family. Here, the statements is very much confident from my part because I know that I do these stuffs sometimes or from time to time. So sometimes means from time to time or occasionally. Sometime means a future time or an unknown time that is not specific, and sometime means a very short amount of time, like something that's gonna happen in a short time or in a little while.